So I have here some fresh oysters. We have brushed them already, cleaned them already, scrubbed them already. And now, i-open na natin siya. Medyo challenging siya i-open up if wala kayo ng tool na pag-open ng oyster. So we're just taking use of the knife actually. You just have to be careful though. Kasi medyo mahirap siya, medyo matigas siya i-open up. But there we go. At tatapos din at ganito na yung itsura niya. So, yan siya. Maganda siya. And we're just gonna wash them again. Kunin na yung mga itim-itim sa gilid. Ayan. So, after this one, ipapat lang natin siya ng kitchen towel at least. Medyo ano yung water niya. And then, we're just gonna lay it on the baking pan with a parchment paper. Ayan, medyo madumi na yung baking pan namin. Then, we're gonna prepare the garlic. Imi-mince natin siya. So we're just gonna use a food processor here, but if you don't have any, no problem. You just chop it with your knife. So ayan, after this one, we're gonna mix it with some butter. So we have here about 2 tablespoons of butter, or 1.5 I would say. Tapos melt na natin siya sa microwave. And then after that, ipahid na natin siya sa oysters. Actually, dapat nakamix na dito yung salt and black pepper, but then I completely forgot about it. Thus, ito na lang yung sinunod natin. You just have to sprinkle it with salt and black and pepper. So, it's okay lang naman. No problem at all. Then we top it with cheese. Ayan. The more cheese, the merrier. The yummer it is. Then we sprinkle it with some herbs. Since we don't have a fresh one, then I have here a dried parsley. Then place it inside the oven, preheated at about 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese becomes golden. And this is it. Looking so yummy now and it's tasting so yummy. So, ayan siya. I'm quite happy with the result. You see that? Still sizzling hot. So, ayan, masarap siya.